So guys, I'm ready to unbox this Dell keyboard box. Yeah, I always wanted to buy any. It's around 540 मम्मी 5.5 हम ना मम्मी आता अरे अनबॉक्स तच करत हो
550चा
या
येते ते एवढे मोठे चिठ्ठी
what an packaging. Stay here and the keyboard must be, my god, the bad opening. I like to use these boxes guys, but it is torn, and the thing is, look at this guys, it is shining cause there is plastic. And the keyboard, it is a little light. I think it is too much light. Yeah, there is a elevated key like this and this, and okay, can be elevated like this, and it is wire, and there are dedicated function keys here and with some multimedia features, and there is light and yeah, it is good. First time I have bought this kind of keyboard and I am gonna use it. Okay, and the second thing is Portronics. Yeah, what is it? Okay, so it is for to connect this here. Good, it's looking good. Let's guys connect it to keyboard, and it is connected. I think I can control this by keyboard. Yeah, this button is going to pause, start, and this, oh my god, I can control my phone through the keyboard. If I click the enter, it will stop, and it was stopped guys. And what if I click here function 1? I don't know. Yeah, nothing happened. If I click sound, it was stopped. So I'm going to learn typing by using this keyboard. So see guys, let's see guys how will it work. Then I'll tell you the how is the experience after 1 month. Okay, so let's see later.